I was going through some of my older footage from a time when I was still figuring out how to shoot the cooking videos, and honestly, the shots that you're going to see now aren't that great. But the food that I made that day, it was really good, and it's kind of a comfort food that I still come back to. So I thought I'd share it anyways. Earlier that day, I made a simple mushroom masala, and in the evening, I made pav bataka, which is very famous in my hometown, Valsad. So, just a disclaimer, this isn't a perfect video, but it's real and it's a meal that I genuinely enjoyed. So, let's get into it.
Hello there. This is Debit to Delicious, where I balance flavors and not ledgers. Let's cook.
I used to not like mushrooms like at all, but then I made this mushroom masala and now we are friends. So let me show you how to make that. In a bowl, add the mushrooms, add 3 to 4 spoons of yogurt. We will add all our favorite mirch masalas and then we'll mix it very properly and let it sit for some time. In a pot, we'll add some oil, some jeera, and a pinch of hing. We will add the onions and saute it till it becomes soft. I'm adding the red chili garlic paste, which adds flavor into it. Adding the tomato puree. Add salt as per your tasting. Some more mirch masala if you would like. Now we will add our marinated mushrooms and let it cook patiently till the oil separates, and that is how you will know that it's ready. Mushroom masala is done, warm, spicy and comforting and honestly surprising. Some foods don't need convincing, they just need the right recipe. Enjoy!
Much later.
I'm from Valsad and honestly the food there just hits different. Vada pav, khaman and today one of my favorites, pav bataka. So let's make some. Heat some oil in a pan, add mustard seeds and then cumin seeds. Now for the base we'll add ginger garlic and green chili paste. I call it 3G paste. Adding haldi powder and chili powder for the color and spice. Now goes in the boiled potatoes. Mash them slightly and coat them well with all the masala that we have sauteed. About half a cup of water. Cover it and let it cook for some time. Now we'll add a spoonful of homemade green chutney. Salt as per your taste. If you would like, a pinch of sugar to balance out all the flavors. Finish it off with some fresh coriander. And that's it. Simple pav bataka, Valsadi style. One bite and I'm back home. It's not just food, it's memory on a plate for me. Enjoy! Looking back at this, I can already see how much I have improved, even just in how I film and present the things. Back then, I wasn't really thinking about angles or lighting, I was just cooking. But at the same time, this is still kind of the food that I love making, simple and comforting. If I made this again today, I would definitely film it differently, maybe explain things a little bit better. So I might revisit this meal in a future video. But yeah, this was a real day, real food, nothing overcomplicated. And there's more coming with better videos, so stay tuned.